What's the meaning of cobblestones? Cobblestones. Cobblestones.
Cobblestones. Cobblestones. Cobblestones are small, round stones that are typically used for paving roads or creating a decorative pathway. These stones are often irregularly shaped and may vary in size. Once laid, cobblestones provide a durable surface that can withstand heavy foot and vehicular traffic. In addition to their practical uses, cobblestones are also valued for their aesthetic appeal. The unique characteristics of each stone and the way they fit together create a distinctive pattern that can enhance the beauty of outdoor spaces.